Are you planning to attend the Fabtech 2022? Join us November 8th through 10th at the Georgia World Congress Center in Atlanta, Georgia, booth number BC15501. We'll be demonstrating the saws on display with our sawing experts, so don't miss out. Watch all the different types of metal and materials we can cut. There's nothing we can't cut. We'll be featuring the SC150A, the 400S, DS500SA, DS280M, S500 CNC, DCDS750SA-A, the 2013 V3, historical bandsaw Model J, back from 1937. Learn how DoALL is the one-stop shop for all your sawing needs. Stop by our booth, BC15501, and sign up for one of our giveaways. That's in Exhibit Hall BC. We are at booth number BC15501.